Forrester just told the entire B2B world that the go-to-market playbook that we've been executing for 20 years is finished. That's the message coming out of Forrester's B2B Summit North America 2026. Welcome to IGC Global News. I'm Steve Gershik, B2B marketing expert, speaking to you from Silicon Valley in California. Now, recently in Phoenix, Arizona, Forrester Research unveiled new research called The GTM Singularity is Here. The framing is direct. AI-driven buyer autonomy is collapsing traditional go-to-market models across marketing, sales, customer success, and product. More than 90% of business buyers are already using or planning to use generative AI to support their purchase decisions. Most buying decisions are now shaped before a seller ever enters the conversation. Forrester named what is no longer relevant in B2B marketing now: outdated, impersonal, mass emailing. MQL obsession, gated content, siloed teams. The new model has a name: ARC. A, augmented by AI. R, resilient instead of static. And C, collaborative across human and machine. For global enterprise B2B teams, the implication is significant. The buying behaviors Forrester is now describing as your new reality, group-based decisions, deep research before vendor contact, consensus-driven approval, well, they look similar to how enterprise buying has worked for decades in certain markets. The advantage is there for the teams that act first. Now, in the full IGC video, we explain the ARC framework and what B2B marketing leaders should do with it this quarter. The link is below.